Welcome back, aspirants. Today we will solve one. Uh, sorry. Yes. Today we will solve one RAC numerical subject of RAC, and that has been asked in Indian Forest Service Mains 2017. Okay. So the question is: the performance of an air conditioner unit is rated as 40 tons, seems to be indicating poor cooling. The test on heat rejection to atmosphere in its condenser shows the following data. The cooling water flow, that means mass flow rate of the water, okay, it is given as 4 liter per second, that means 4 kg per second, because for water the weight is same as the volume. Okay, the inlet water temperature, it is 30 degrees Celsius, so TW at inlet, and the outlet water temperature, that means TWO, and it is 40 degree. The power input to the motor is 40 kilowatt. Efficiency of the motor is 95%, and specific heat of the water is 4.186 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Now calculate the actual refrigerating capacity of the unit and conclude whether the unit is giving poor cooling or not. Okay, so first see this diagram. This is the basic diagram of the any air conditioning system. Here there is an expansion valve. Okay, so now let us, if we consider this as a one system, one open system. So here heat from evaporator is entering into the system. So whatever the heat from our room, it is uh, given, it is collected by the our refrigerant. So that this is the main reasons from, so that our refrigerant is converting from liquid to vapor. Then we are adding some compressor work, so that we can send the refrigerant to higher pressure in condenser side, and we are rejecting some heat to the condenser. So now as you see, this is an open system, so apply the first law of thermodynamics. So whatever the heat and work is coming, that is going outside of the system. Okay, so I can write this equation. Okay, this is equation number 1. Now this 40 tons, 40 tons 40 ton amount of heat, that is that has been extracted from the room to the evaporator. Okay, so that is QE, that is our rated capacity. It is given 40 tons. So now how we can find the compressor work and heat rejection? That is, so first compressor work, that is, it is given as 40 kilowatt power we have given to motor, but the motor efficiency of the motor is 95%. So we have to get that required compressor work, we have to divide this 40 kilowatt by 0.95. Okay, as you know that for any output unit, like for any unit that is the power generating, like turbine and engine, uh, so in that case we are multiplying with efficiency, because it indicates that that much amount of energy, it is less amount of energy, that much amount of energy is lost here. The efficiency indicates that much additional amount of energy we have to give to compensate that loss. Okay, so it is coming out to be 42.10 kilowatt. Okay, sorry, actually this is the new uh, screen, so I am not used to this. Some, Okay, so it is 42.10 kilowatt. Okay, so this much amount we have to give compressor. Now how much amount of heat is rejected in condenser, and all that heat that is rejected and it is absorbed by the cooling water. So we know that how much amount of heat absorbed by cooling water is mcp delta T, mass of water, cp of water, and delta T of water. That means water temperature inlet, sorry, outlet minus water temperature at inlet. Mass flow rate is given to us 4 kg per second. Specific heat of the water is given to us 1.4.186, and temperature difference from here you can find it is as a 10 degree. So when you put all this value, you will find it is as a 167.44 kilowatt. Okay, now here put all this value, it is as a 167.44 is equal to energy or heat extracted from evaporator plus power that we have given to our compressor. So now take this on the other side, so you will get the how much amount of heat it's extracted from the evaporator, and that is our our capacity of the system. Okay, so we will getting, so our answer is 125.34 kilowatt we are getting. Okay, so this much amount of heat that has been extracted from the evaporator, and this is and this much energy we have to remove as per the definition of the 1 ton of refrigeration, but this is in kilowatt. So we know the conversion formula for kilowatt to uh, ton is 1 ton is equal to 3.5 kilowatt. Okay, so now convert it into ton just by dividing 3.5, just by dividing 125.34 divided by 3.5, so you will get it is as a 35.81. Okay, 35.81 ton. Sorry guys for this bad handwriting, because this is a new platform for me, this new screen. So uh, please cooperate today. In upcoming videos I will improve my handwriting. Okay, so this much amount of actually it is extracting heat. So our actual system's capacity is 35.81 tons. Okay, and conclude whether the unit is giving poor cooling. Yes, the unit is giving poor cooling because our required cooling is 40 to 40 tons. Okay, so here the difference of almost 4 tons. Okay, 4 ton difference. So this is the answer. Our answer is, actual answer is this. Okay, hope you guys understand this concept, all this question. Thank you guys for watching this video, and subscribe our channel for daily this kind of videos of solutions. Thank you very much, and stay studying. Sorry. Okay, thank you very much for watching our video. Thank you.